Once upon a time, there was a small village with a little shop. The shop was called Ginger and Pickles. It sold many things. People could buy bread, butter, sugar, tea, cheese, biscuits, sweets, candles, soap, and many other items. The shop belonged to two friends. Ginger was a yellow cat and Pickles was a small dog. They worked together every day. Ginger stood behind the counter and smiled at the customers. Pickles helped to carry goods and keep the shop clean. Many animals came to the shop. Rabbits bought carrots and flour. Mice bought cheese. Ducks bought bread. Squirrel bought nuts. Everyone liked Ginger and Pickles because they were friendly. One problem made the shop difficult to run. The customers did not pay at once. They said, "Please write it in the book. We will pay later." Ginger was kind. He always smiled and said, "Of course." Pickles also agreed, so they wrote every customer's name in a big account book. Day after day, the book became fuller and fuller, but the money box stayed almost empty. Soon, Ginger and Pickles had very little money. They still had to buy new food and other things for the shop. The people who sold goods to them wanted to be paid quickly. Every morning, Ginger opened the shop and hoped someone would pay. But most customers only bought more things on credit. One rabbit said, "I will pay next week." A mouse said, "I forgot my money today." A duck said, "Please wait a little longer." Ginger smiled, but inside he felt worried. Pickles counted the coin every evening. There were only a few coins in the box. "What shall we do?" asked Pickles. "I do not know," said Ginger sadly. The shelves slowly became empty. There was less bread, less butter, and fewer sweets. The shop looked lonely. One day, the people who supplied the goods came to collect their money. Ginger and Pickles could not pay them. At last, they had to close the shop. The door was locked and a sign said, "Shop closed." The animals in the village were surprised. "Oh no," they cried. "Where can we buy our food now?" Some felt sorry because they had never paid their bills. After some time, another shop opened in the village. This new shop had a different rule. A notice on the wall said, "Cash only. Please pay before you take the goods." Now everyone had to pay with money. No one could take things home without paying. People remembered Ginger and Pickles. They understood that a shop could not stay open if customers never paid. As for Ginger and Pickles, they found other ways to earn a living. They worked hard and lived happily, even though they no longer had their little shop. From that day on, the animals learned an important lesson. They understood that kindness is good, but a business also needs money to survive. The end of the story. For more interesting stories, like, share, subscribe to the channel.